Hello everyone, let me introduce you to another one of my product that I've done. This is a handle for the GoPro. Okay, the pistol handle grip for the GoPro. Now, GoPro design is it's not designed to hold like that to shoot. Okay, it's designed to be mounted on something. Now, some of us, we want to shoot just holding the camera, but sometimes it's quite impractical because you may be blocking the lens, you may be holding the lens and then you may accidentally block, or you may be accidentally press the button. So I come up with this pistol handle grip where you can put it here and shoot your video. Okay, it's a very simple mount. Okay, it's designed for the housing. And what you do is you align the holes and then you slot in the screw on this end until it's tight. There you go. You have a pistol grip GoPro camera. Okay, and you can't block anything. Okay, you won't be blocking the lens with your fingers. If you're going to start, you just start shooting. So there it goes. You can adjust up. Okay, it's fully waterproof. That's it. Thanks for watching.